Children, in this session we are going to learn about trigonometric identities. The first identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. How we can show that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1? Do one thing here. First sin theta. Sin theta means opposite side by hypotenuse to the theta. Theta's opposite side is AB and hypotenuse is AC. That's why we can write as AB square, AB by AC whole square. And cos theta. Cos theta means adjacent side to the theta by hypotenuse. So that is BC by AC whole square. Is it clear then? So that we get AB square by AC square plus BC square by AC square. Here we get LCM is AC square. So that numerator becomes AB square plus BC square. Is it clear then for all? Right. But according to the Pythagoras theorem, we know that according Pythagoras theorem, we have to write AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So that instead of AB square plus BC square, we have to write AC square by AC square. Then we get 1. Therefore, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is the first identity. Okay, have you understand Nana? Once you check. How this is the second identity Nana? Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Okay, first sec theta. Sec theta means hypotenuse by adjacent side. Hypotenuse is AC and adjacent side to the theta is BC. So we can write as AC square by BC square minus tan theta. Opposite side to the theta, that is AB, by adjacent side, that is BC. So we get BC square is the LCM. So we get here AC square minus AB square. Is it clear now? So according to Pythagoras theorem, triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. So according Pythagoras theorem, we have to say AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Sir, what is that? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. If this AB square shift this side, AC square minus AB square is equal to, we can write as BC square. Is it clear now? Okay? Instead of AC square minus AB square, we have to write BC square. So that this sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to, we got AC square minus AB square is equal to BC square by denominator is also BC square. So it will be cancelled. So therefore, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. This is the second identity. Is it clear for all? This is the next identity. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Children, cosec square theta. Cosec square theta means it is reciprocal to the sin theta. Means sin theta is the opposite side by hypotenuse, then cosec theta is the hypotenuse by opposite side. Hypotenuse is AC. AC square by opposite side to the theta, that is AB. AB square minus cot theta. Cot theta, tan theta is reciprocal. Tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side. So cot theta is adjacent side by opposite side. Means adjacent side to the theta, that is BC, by opposite side is AB square. AB, that is A square is square. So here LCM is AB square. So we get AC square minus BC square. The same in triangle ABC. Angle B is equal to 90 degrees. According Pythagoras theorem, we have to say AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, but that BC square should be side AC square minus BC square is equal to, we have to say AB square. Is it clear now? So that we have to write cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to, instead of AC square minus BC square, we can write as AB square by AB square. These two will be cancelled. So we get cosec square theta minus cos square. Okay. This is the third identity. Is it clear for all? Okay, then once you see these three identities, first one is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. If you make the subject of sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. If anywhere we have to convert from sin square theta to cos theta means we have to write instead of sin square theta 1 minus cos square theta. In the same way, cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Is it clear now? If we make the subject sin square theta, we get 1 minus cos square theta. If we make the subject cos square theta, we get 1 minus sin square theta. In the same way here, sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. If we make tan square theta is the subject, 1 should be sec square theta minus 1 for tan square theta. Tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. Now, here cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So, cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Okay. And now cot square theta is equal to plus 1 should be side. Cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1. Okay. So these are the identities we have to remember and complete that exercise. Fourth, very important, this is